Immersed in nature, the Woods House project was born from the desire to create a home where tradition and modernity bond with the surrounding nature, offering all the space necessary for a fulfilled life. The shape of the house recalls the tradition with the sloping roof and the iconic shape of classic houses, which is made modern by the simplicity of the lines, obtained by integrating all the superfluous elements within the wall, such as the channels for rainwater. At the entrance, the door is surmounted by a contrasting element that illuminates and protects from the rain, surrounded by a series of windows of the same width as the wooden planks that make up the facade. This element creates the rhythm of the facade and a magical effect during the night. The choice of wood as the material for the exterior recalls the desire to link the building to the woods and the traditions. On the opposite side of this home, the windows of the rooms are repeated one after the other, creating columns of light and opening up the house to the more private side of the garden. The roof in dark sheet metal creates a reflection effect of the sky and blends the roof with the external wood, creating continuity in the colors and with the environment that surrounds the house. The smaller facade is, instead, characterized by a large window that illuminates the living room. Inside, the double-height living room creates an elegant and refined environment with a relaxing view of nature. The double glazing allows to create a buildup of heat inside during the winter months, and the opening of the doors, in the summer, creates a flow of natural fresh air. These measures make it possible to reduce the energy impact of the home. On the walls of the living room, on one side there is a traditional stone cladding and on the opposite side a copper structure which, combined with the rain chandelier, creates incredible light effects during the night. The living room is connected to a more intimate environment where the dining table is positioned and connected to the kitchen by a small corridor. The kitchen is cozy and the copper cladding picks up on the colors of the old traditional kitchen equipment and creates a contrast with the modern bright red of the doors. The corridor on the living room side allows you to reach the entrance to the house, which merges with the stairwell lit from above and allows access to the elegant bathroom characterized by wood and mirrors. Finally, at the end of the house, the study with a window overlooking nature. Upstairs, the staircase leads to another corridor that connects to a small balcony overlooking the living room. The single rooms are just the right size to accommodate everything you need, like the double room down the hall. Upstairs there is another bathroom with a bathtub positioned in front of the window. The floor plans show the regularity of the house, which is useful for making it modular and lowering construction costs. The entrance with the corridor allows one to reach each room. The hidden corridor behind the staircase allows to have a connection between the living room and the kitchen. Upstairs there is another corridor connecting the various rooms and a balcony overlooking the living room. The building structure can be made of wood or reinforced concrete and bricks. In addition, its modularity allows for the addition or removal of superfluous rooms easily. The Woods House is an ideal home for a family away from the noise of the city and blends traditional architecture with the simplicity of modern style, integrating with nature. Thanks for your attention, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. If you like the video, subscribe so you don't miss the next projects.